Okay, let's see if we can nail that. Today we're gonna talk about things that you don't do in news articles. Okay, we're gonna get started.
Ou pa manje anyen.
Yeah. You should not eat anything.
Rien.
Anything? Yeah.
Karine pa manje anyen.
Karin does not eat anything.
Li pa bwe anyen.
Li pa bwe anyen. He does not drink anything.
Pa.
Pa.
Li pa bwe let anko.
Pa bwe. He or she does not drink milk anymore.
Anko. Karine pa reme André anko. Karine
Karin
pa reme André anko.
That means that she doesn't like him anymore.
André pa janmè manje di ri.
Never eats right. Never.
Janmè.
We.
Nan.
Or no. Anything.
Anyen.
Goodbye.
Au revoir.
You guys know that already? No.
Non.
Water. No.
Yo pa jamais manje pain. Yo pa jamais manje pain.
Let's go. How? How?
Ki jan?
Anymore.
Anko.
Not.
Pa.
Never.
Jamais.
Milk. Let's go. No, c'est Creole. Yo pa jam pale Creole. Okay. They never speak Creole.
Li pa jam pale
Pale.
Creole.
Okay, they is plural, so we would use yo in Haitian Creole. Well, I assume here that they are talking about like they as in somebody, the singular form. Otherwise, it's not correct. I do not eat rice anymore.
Mwen pa manje diri anko.
Perfect lesson. Let's go.
Nou pa pale di tou.
This. No pa pale to. We do not speak at all.
Di tou.
Mwen pa pale anglais di tou.
I do not speak English at all. Not at all.
Ou pap manje di ri.
You are not eating rice.
Li pa pale aucun créole.
The papa is not speaking any Creole.
André pa bwe oken dlo.
André
P ap bwe oken dlo.
Anyen.
not eating anything.
Majori pa bwe oken let.
Marjorie doesn't drink any milk.
Majori pa janmè manje di ri.
Marjorie
Pa janmè manje di ri.
Majori pa reme André anko.
Marjorie doesn't like Andre anymore. Doesn't like Andre. Yes, we
Oui.
and
Ak.
It all.
Di tou.
No.
Non.
Not. Let's go. Marjorie doesn't like this.
Majori pa
Oh, Andre.
rem André ankor.
He doesn't drink any milk.
Majori pa bwe oken let.
Not.
Pa li pa janmè pale Creole.
He never obey. Never speak Creole.
Anyen. Mwen pa pale anglais di tou. Mwen pa pale anglais di tou.
I don't speak any English. At all.
Di tou. Ou pap manje di ri.
You are not eating anymore.
Anko. Mwen pa pale di tou.
I am not talking at all.
André pa bwe aucun d'eau. André p ap bwe aucun d'eau.
Yo pa jamais mangé pain. Yo pa jamais mangé pain. Ou pas manger rien. Ou pas manger rien. Li pa parler aucun créole. P ap parler aucun créole. Moi pas parler anglais du tout.
I do not speak English at all. I'm third. Yay! Well, of all the people that have taken the class, working records. Oh my. A woman, a girl. Young fee.
C'est yon fille.
See on fee. That's when I like rice. Yeah, definitely I like rice. Took you very long.
Nap bwe d'eau, yap bwe let.
Na pueblo y a pueblet. They melt to eat
Manger,
like
reme,
men
Garçon.
eat
L.
milk.
Souple, manger diri mwen. Souple, manger. Diri. Mwen.
To eat
Manger.
Oh, you. That's the English side.
ou
Who, child.
Timoun.
They, yeah.
Oui.
Bread. Cool. Yes, please. I like rice. Oui, merci. Yes, please. Yes, oui. Please. Oh, oui, s'il vous plaît. Oui. Miss that again. Girl.
Ti fille.
Boy.
Ti garçon.
Women.
fi,
He.
Li.
Man. They are eating bread. We are eating rice. Yep. Manger. Pain. Lap. Manger. Man.
garçon, ou mwen,
Women. Thank you. She likes work. Merci. Li. Reme. Dlo. It's a tricky word to pronounce, right? Dlo.
Mwen.
Dodo.
Ou.
Mwen. Ou.
Mwen.
That's a girl. Ça c'est un petit fille. Ça c'est un petit garçon. Yes, please, I like. Right. Oui, s'il vous plaît. Moi, merci. My number one. Oh my goodness. It's insane. A man. Young garçon qui
li,
vit to eat manger.
manger,
They
yo,
child.
timoun,
Yo,
Tan pri souple.
c'est your girls woman.
Yo. Se. Ti fille. Nou. Se. Garçon.
Man.
garçon, ou mwen,
Fi.
Please parler Creole. They eat your marché. Yes, please. Oui. S'il vous plaît. Women.
Fi.
They
Yo.
eat
Manger.
Man,
Garçon.
Rice to be child. C'est young Simon. You're welcome. I like to eat.
Oui, tan pri souple. Mwen reme diri.
No manger. See. Let's go. He likes water and milk. Low.
alo,
Water.
d'eau,
Sali.
And
Garçon.
nothing much, boy. Do they say that in English? Nothing much, boy. Okay, Padua. Oh,
Nan. Ap. Boule. Ti garçon. Bonne nuit. Na wepita. Bonne nuit. Nan. A. Ouais. Pita.
nou renkontre André,
Man. Bwe. Let.
Wap manger. Ti.
non merci, pa donne mwen,
non, pas donner. Likely, lame, non, is it my eyes?
Souple. Manger.
Manger,
Diri. Moins.
souffler, pas donner, moins parler, anglais.
Anglais.
D'eau.
Water
Encore. Pas.
is not equal.
Karine. Pa. Manger. Rien.
André pas jamais manger diri.
Entre,
Pas jamais manger diri.
Rien. Rien.
anything.
De l'eau.
Water.
Allô?
Ak.
Yo, pas jamais manger pain.
Li pa bwe let encore. Li. Pa. Bwe. Let encore.
Li pa bwe anyen.
He doesn't try.
Pa manger diri ak pain encore. Pa manger diri ak pain encore. Y.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Jamais.
Encore. Ou pa manje anyen.
Li pa jamais parler créole. Li pa jamais parler créole.
Mwen pa manje diri encore.
Li pa bwe anyen.
Yo pas manger
Majori pa reme André encore.
Marjorie doesn't like Andre anymore. Moi pas parler
Nou pa parler du tout.
non
Pas. Parler mal. Du tout. André pa bwe aucun d'eau.
is not drinking.
Majori pa bwe aucun lait. Bwe aucun lait.
Okay. Karen and Marjorie do not
Karine. Ak. Majori. Pa. Manje anyen. Mwen pa pale anglais du tout. Mwen pa pale anglais du tout.
Karine ak Majori pa manger anyen.
eat anything.
Anyen.
Anything.
Au revoir.
Goodbye.
Du tout.
At all.
Souple.
Please.
Li pa pale aucun créole.
Any Creole. He's not drinking milk.
Majori. Pa. Bwe. Aucun. Let.
He's not speaking any Creole.
Li. P. Ap. Pale.
Parler
aucun créole.
I do not speak English at all. Moi pas parler aucun anglais. On pas parler anglais du tout. Sorry. André. Pap. Ouais. L'eau. Moi pas parler anglais du tout. André pas ouais. Ken l'eau. Moi pas parler anglais du tout. André pas ouais. Aucun.
Li pa bwe let encore.
She doesn't drink milk anymore.
Li pa pale aucun créole. Li. P. Ap. Pale. Aucun créole. Mwen pa pale anglais du tout.
I do not speak English at all.
André pa bwe aucun d'eau. P. Ap. Bwe aucun d'eau.
Majori. Pa. Jamais. Manje. Diri.
Pa manger diri ak pain encore. Pa manger diri ak pain encore.
Yo. Pa. Jamais. Manje. Pain. Mwen pa pale du tout. Mwen. Ap. 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 Pale. Du tout.
André pa manger jamais manger diri li pa jam Parler créole. Livre. Messier.
Sir.
Messier.
Fiyo.
The woman.
Ti fille.
The girl.
Livre là.
The book.
Li ouais livre là.
He sees the book.
Nou pa wè liv yo. Nou pa wè liv yo. Diri ya.
Okay, I thought this was gonna be very, very easy. But like obviously I'm acing it, right? No, I'm doing great because I know the language. But I can see for someone who's not familiar with Haitian Creole, they would struggle a lot. But we're doing it together. So that's a plus. That's an advantage that we have. Tia.
Alo.
Sally.
Sali.
Sir.
Mesye.
Anglais.
Au revoir.
Mwen ouais manger a.
I see.
Bonjour. Mwen wè let la. Bonjour. Mwen wè let la.
Messieurs yo pas manger aucun pain.
The gentleman do not eat morning. I see the milk.
Bonjour. Mwen ouais let la livre yo
Dog.
chien.
Which one is this? Is a letter?
Let
Let yo.
Let you the letters.
écrit.
Right. It's right.
Écrit. Li écrit yon livre.
He writes a book.
Lap ekri let yo. L ap ekri let yo.
Let la.
The milk. So let, like this word can mean, depending on the context, can mean milk, can also mean letter. Okay, let.
Chien.
The dog,
Chien.
it all.
Di tou.
More.
Encore.
Sir.
Mesye.
Bye. Au revoir.
Garçon.
Garçon. Not.
Pa.
How.
Ki jan.
Might.
La nuit.
To write.
Ekri.
Please. The dog.
Chien.
Yeah. The girl, the boy.
Ti fille.
Tiffy, yeah.
A. Ti garçon. Un.
It doesn't matter, okay? Tifia, ti garçon, tifia, ti garçon, doesn't really matter. Doesn't have a gender, okay? The article. Which one of these is watch?
Monte.
Lady, dame.
Dame.
Lady, dame.
Dame.
Gade.
What is this? Look.
Gade.
C is where? I.
Mont lan.
Montre the watch.
Li pa ouais monte lan. Pa ouais monte lan. Nuit lan.
The night.
Dame nan.
The lady. Any more?
Encore.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Watch.
Monte.
Hey.
Sali.
Book.
Dam nan wè chien. Dam nan wè chien an. Mesye ya ak dam nan ap gade mont lan.
The lady, gentleman, are looking at the lady and the gentleman looking at the watch. Monsieur ak the gentleman comes first. That's because I'm a gentleman, because I know ladies always come first. Lady.
Dam.
Dog.
Chien.
At. Okay, watch.
Monte.
To look.
Gade.
At. No. Good. At.
Nan.
Nah.
Pa.
At all.
Di tou.
Be
Souple.
Hello.
Alo. Gade.
Got it. Look.
Mesye ya ak dam nan ap gade mont lan.
The gentleman and the lady are looking at pa wa.
Monsieur ya ak dam nan ap gade mont lan.
The gentleman and the lady pa wa.
Gade,
Look like
Écrit, non, c'est pas yon chien.
no, that's not
ouais.
Mesye a gade dam yo.
the gentleman, lady, dog,
Chien. Ti gason pale ak ti fi yo. Ti gason, an, pale ak ti fi yo.
Non,
Dam nan pa reme monsieur yo du tout. Dam nan pa reme mesye yo di tout.
ti garçon yo ap manje pain. Yo ap manje pain an. Ti garçon.
Good. The perfect lesson.
Li pa bwe anyen.
Reme André.
André pa janmè manje diri. Anyen.
Anything.
Li pa bwe let anko. Pa bwe let anko. Karine pa reme André anko. Pa reme André anko. Mwen pa manje diri anko.
I do not eat rice anymore. Marine
M'pa manje diri ak pain anko.
I do not eat bread anymore.
Ou pa manje anyen. Ou pa manje anyen.
Li pa janmè pale kreyol.
Jamais parlé.
Yo pa jamais manje pain.
I have to be careful because I only have 2 lives left. Yo n'avez pas jamais dit
Majori pa reme André anko.
Najou.
Ou pap manje diri. Ap manje diri.
Mwen pa pale di tout. Mwen pa pale anglais di tout.
Majori pa bwe oken let. Pa bwe oken let.
Li pa pale aucun créole.
Marjorie doesn't like Andre more.
Majo pa reme André encore.
Ne pas parler du tout.
André pa bwe oken dlo. André p ap bwe oken dlo. Nou pa pale di tout.
Ne pas parler du tout. We do not speak at all. I'm not talking at all. Mais
Mwen ap pale
parler
di tout.
Marjorie doesn't drink anymore. Marjorie, he's not speaking any Creole. Li pa parler aucun Creole. I think that's right. Andre's pap boy aucun Creole. Perfect lesson.
Karine ak Majori pa manje anyen.
Not eat anything.
Ou pa manje anyen. Ou pa manje anyen. Mwen pa pale anglais di tout.
No.
Ou pa manje anyen. Ou pe ap manje anyen.
M'pa manje diri ak pain anko.
I do not eat rice and bread anymore. Bread?
Yo pa janmè manje pain
Marjorie, Andre is not drinking more.
André ap bwe ok dlo.
Marjorie parle Andre encore.
André pa bwe oken dlo.
Ne pas parler anglais du tout.
Nou pa pale di tout.
Du tout. Alors,
Souple,
et puis,
mesye,
Sir.
Ouais.
Si.
Bye bye.
Diri a. Diri a.
Di.
Messieurs.
Sir.
Messieurs yo. Messieurs yo.
Moi ouais manger a.
When I see the food.
Yon garçon ouais livre là. Yon garçon ouais livre là. Bonjour. Moi ouais lettre là.
Morning, I see the milk.
Messieurs yo pas manger aucun pain. Manger aucun pain.
This is the book.
Li. Ouais. Livre là.
Fi a. Ti fi.
Tiffy, they will leave là.
Moi ouais
Manger.
manger a.
Monsieur, the book, leave. Perfect lesson. Why do I never get any life?
L'ennui.
Night,
Allô.
hello,
Sali.
hey,
Chien.
Let yo. Let yo. Écrit.
Rencontrer.
me,
Oui.
yes,
Messieurs.
sir, the mail.
Let la. Oui. Chien yo. Oui. Chien. Oui. Chien yo.
Messieurs a écrit lettre là.
The gentleman, right,
Non, c'est pas yon chien.
no,
Pas yon chien. Chien. Hein?
La écrit let yo.
Robert couldn't. She is writing the letter. Sham. Okay. This can be both sham or fee. So I'm gonna pick sham because we're just talking about the dog here.
Lettre là.
The milk. Marjorie parlait mes petits garçons noirs. He writes a book.
Li. Écrit. Yon. Livre.
The boy. The girl. Petit fille, hein? Petit garçon. Petit garçon. The boy.
Gade. Gade.
Rencontrer.
L'ennui.
Night.
Rien.
Anything?
Gade.
Look.
Monte lan.
Non.
Not. No, no, no. Oh my god, I lost a life again.
Non.
Okay,
Ak.
and
Rencontrer.
to me,
Pa.
not
Non.
the what?
Monte lan.
Ouais.
To see,
Allô?
hello,
Remè.
like,
Dame.
lady.
Li pa ouais monte lan.
She does not see the what?
Dam nan. Dam nan.
Look,
Ouais.
look.
Gade.
Dame nan pa reme monsieur yo du tout.
The lady doesn't like the gentleman at all. She doesn't not see the watch.
Li. Pa. Ouais. Monte lan. Monsieur ya ak dame nan ap gade monte lan. Messi a. Ak. Dame lan ap gade monte lan.
Damna.
Monsieur ya ak dame nan ap gade monte lan.
Damna.
Ap gade monte lan.
Damna wish. Let's make it this a bit harder. Is Miss Gade the ladies, Mesdames. Miss Gade Mesdames. Okay. Gentlemen, the lady, Monsieur Agdamla Abgade on live. I'm on live support here. Share.
Li pa ouais monte lan. Li pa ouais monte lan.
No power leave. Okay, so now I have unlimited hearts. because I finally got my Duolingo subscription. And this is not paid advertisement for Duolingo. But I figured since I'm using it, and I'll be using it to learn a bunch of other languages actually, just to dip my toes in different cultures and stuff like that. So I'll be using Duolingo a lot. So yeah, it's fine, and now I don't have to worry about dying because I have unlimited hearts. So
Monte lan. Monte lan.
okay, damn no.
Dam nan pa reme mesye yo du tout.
Yeah.
Pa reme mes yo du tout.
La. Both of correctors.
Mesye a gade dam yo.
Yeah,
Gade dam yo.
the gentleman.
Mesye yo.
The boy talked to the girl.
Ti gason pale ak ti yo.
He sees the dog.
Dam nan we chen.
Lady.
Mesye a gade dam yo.
No power leave you. Oh, come on. How do I know it's singular or plural? No power leave la. We don't see the book. No power leave yo, which is what it's asking for right now. We don't see the books. So meet la. No power leave yo. You're giving me diamond. Amazing. Woman, the girl. Okay. Fia. Tifia.
Se yon fi.
That's women.
Fi.
Men.
Garçon.
You.
Ou.
I. That's your woman. So I say I.
Mwen
Girl. No.
ti fi
Women.
Fi.
He.
li.
Boy. Tigasa.
Nap bwedlo, yap bwelet.
We are drinking water. They are drinking milk. Shout.
Timoun.
We.
Nou,
They.
y.
Girl.
Ti fi.
Eat to eat.
Souple, manje diri mwen. Souple, manje diri mwen.
Man.
Yo reme diri ak let.
Yap manger. Nap mange. I.
Mwen.
Man.
Fi.
You.
Ou.
Man. Garçon. You. Ti.
Mwen. Ou.
Fi.
Yon. Gason.
Ti garçon.
Manje.
I.
Mwen.
Li. Tan pri souple.
Mwen. Ou fi.
Oui, souple. They eat your marché. C'est anti-monde.
Oui, tan pri souple. Mwen reme diri.
Oui, souple. Moi, mais dire. You're happy, you quoi? Moi, mais marché. Yo c'est gas, yo c'est difficile, c'est lui, mais l'autre.
Ap boule.
Non merci, c'est pas d'oublier.
Nou renkontre André.
Bonne nuit, na we pita. Bonne nuit, na a we pita.
Yo
Mwen kontan renkontre ou.
contre, moi,
M, bwe, let.
j'ai dit,
Li relem lan nuit.
limite, sous pas donner, moi, aller anglais. J'ai dit, okay, much boy.
N. Ap boule. Ti gason.
That's what I missed. Boy part.
Non, messieurs. Non, messieurs. Livre là.
Bonjour, mwen wè let la. Messieurs yo. Yon garçon wè liv la.
Mwen wè manger a. Mwen wè manger a. Li wè livre là. Messieurs yo pas manger aucun pain. Pas manger au pain. Mwen pas wè dire.
Monsieur yo pas manger aucun lion.
Écrit.
Let yo. Let yo.
Li écrit yon livre.
Écrit au pain.
Oui, yo se chen.
Oui, c'est chien.
Chen yo manje liv yo.
Chien.
Yo. Manje. Liv yo. Lap ekri let yo.
La écrit let you. Let me écrit.
Ti garçon pale ak ti fi yo.
The boy talks. Si a ti garçon moi.
Chien. Chien.
Garçon.
Yeah. A écrit let.
Li pa wè mont lan. Li pa wè mont lan. Messieurs a gade dam yo.
Si a gade dam yo.
Mont lan.
Watch.
Mesye ya ak dam nan ap gade mont lan.
Si a dam nan ap gade lady.
Dam nan.
Da we monk nan.
Dam nan.
The lady
Gade.
gade
Gade.
Lord.
Dam nan pa reme mesye yo du tout. Dam nan pa reme mesye yo du tout.
So the plural of dam is mesdames, which translates literally as my ladies. The lady does not. Okay. Dam is.
Let la.
Dam nan pa reme mesye yo du tout. Pa reme mesye yo du tout. Lap ekri let yo. Nuit lan.
Messieurs a gade dam yo. Li pa wè mont lan.
Mesye an gade dam yo.
Oui, yo say is
Dam nan wè chien.
Mesye gade dam nan.
Ah, come on. It's a good thing I have lots of lives. Alright, now I think I'm getting tired. But let's go. We gotta go. We gotta finish this thing. The gentleman looks at the ladies. Okay.
Mesye an gade dam yo.
Okay. It's gonna be alright. And then looks at the ladies.
Mesye
Yeah.
an gade dam yo.
What? Monsieur, yeah, got it? Okay, it's Duolingo. You're wrong. Can be used interchangeably. Monsieur, same thing.
Mesye
It's a shame that I have to please you. Monsieur.
a gade dam yo.
Okay. What's going on?
Li pa wè mont lan. Pa wè mont lan.
Reme.
Majori pa reme ti garçon moi.
Yo pa jamais manje pain. Yo pa jan manje pain.
Li ap la
L ap ekri le yo.
majori. Ouais. Can.
Che yo manje liv yo.
Oh, what's that? Ou ap manje diri.
Mesye a gade dam yo.
Mesye a gade dam yo. Non tou.
Ti gason pale ak ti fi yo.
Ti gason pale ak ti fi yo. Li pa bwe anye.
Mesye a ekri let la
Yo pa jam manje
Nuit, lan. Che yo manje liv yo.
chen. Ok.
Che yo manje liv yo.
Chen yo manje liv. Speak more clearly. Okay. Okay. We almost fought today, Duolingo. Cool. See you in Unit 4.